Do you like honey?
Yes, nice.
You like for me to do the dough for you?
Do the do?
Do the dough. Do your nail. Do the dough. You got boyfriend?
No.
Why no boyfriend?
It's kind of personal.
You look pretty.
Thanks.
Pretty okay. You don't wash your hand?
Gotta get it air dry.
You lazy. Here, let me help you. $5 more, okay?
I can wipe my own hands.
Bitch, too late. Let me wash it for you. $5 more. You like?
Yeah, it's pretty. Thank you.
You see your face in your nail? Reflection. Your hand so dry.
Oh,
Is that okay?
are you frying a chicken or what?
For your nail, just $60. No tax for you.
Okay. Can I go get my purse in my car? I left it in there.
Huh? Purse in your car?
I'll be right back.
You have to go to your car
Mm-hmm.
to get your purse? Okay, you come back, okay?
Of course.
Go. Hi.
How did you get out here so fast? What the heck?